This is a desktop stand designed specifically for the Magewell Director Plus. It allows the device to be used in both landscape and portrait orientations on a desk. Now, let's set it up. For landscape mode, align the side brackets to the lowest position on the stand and lock them in place using the screws. Then slide the device into the mount. For portrait mode, move the side brackets to the highest position on the stand and secure them in place using the screws. Then slide the device into the mount. Flexible orientation, ready for any setup.